Before the AMR can mow in autonomous mode, it starts with confident and safe manual operation by mowing or driving the boundaries of the mow plan and keep-out zones. Understanding the process and controls ensures smooth, controlled performance every time. Let's walk through the basics. Before starting the engine, confirm the PTO knob is in the off position. Both steering levers are in neutral, and the onboard emergency stop is disengaged. Set the throttle to low speed. If the engine is cold, pull the choke knob up. If it's warm, leave the choke off. Insert the ignition key and turn it to start. Release once the engine fires. If you use the choke, allow the engine to stabilize, then push the choke down to the off position. Disengage the parking brake and the AMR is now ready to operate in manual mode. To stop operation, return both levers to neutral. Disengage the PTO, set the parking brake, and turn the key to off. Starting and shutting down the AMR correctly is essential for safe, reliable operation. Follow the proper steps every time to protect the engine and ensure consistent performance on every job. Thanks for choosing RC Mowers, where we are redefining the business of mowing.